Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding a product to your new Godaddy website store. This comprehensive guide will ensure you have all the tools and knowledge you need to successfully populate your store with products. Let's get started. First, navigate to Godaddy's official website, which serves as the hub for all the services and tools you'll need to effectively manage your online presence. On the homepage, locate the Sign In option. Clicking it will grant you access to your Godaddy account, where all your website management tools are housed. You might see a prompt to sign in with your Google account. Feel free to choose this option if it's most convenient for you. Once you've logged in, go to the dashboard by selecting My Products from the main menu. This section lists all your Godaddy products, including domain names and hosting services. Next, click on Websites plus Marketing from the available options. This area is crucial as it links directly to the marketing and storefront functionalities of your website, essentially where your e-commerce components are managed. In Websites plus Marketing, locate and click on the Manage button next to your online store. This action opens the management dashboard where you'll add your products. If you're working with a trial store, make sure to select it under the Commerce section. Now, navigate to Commerce or Store and select Products from the submenu. Here, you'll find the important Add Product button. Clicking it will initiate the product addition process. Start by clicking Add Image and choose a high-quality photo that represents your product. Visuals play a significant role in attracting customers, so take your time selecting the right image. Next, enter key details such as the product type, product name, sale price, and regular price. Filling out this information accurately ensures your customers have all the necessary details about their potential purchases. Further down, you can assign a product category and enter a stock keeping unit (SKU) number. This not only helps manage your inventory, but also aids customers in navigating your store more effectively. Be sure to select the appropriate tax category and confirm whether your product is taxable. Godaddy also offers an AI-suggested product description feature, which can help you create compelling product narratives with just a click. Before finalizing, double-check all the information and images added. If any additional visual elements are necessary, click Add Image once more. Finally, once everything looks good, ensure to save your newly added product. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a product to your Godaddy store, ready for customers to explore. Remember, regularly updating your product listings and maintaining high-quality images and descriptions can significantly enhance your online storefronts appeal. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy selling!